How to speak English effectively? Yes friends, this is today's topic and I'm gonna speak on the similar topic. Friends, in today's topic definitely I will tell you strategy and steps, and if you follow those strategies and steps, definitely you can boost your confidence, you can enhance your communication skills. Friends, actually each and every English learner is very willing to speak English very effectively, but they don't know what is the actual steps they have to follow, what strategy they have to apply in their learning process. Friends, in this video, if you are watching, if you are listening all the steps very carefully, very attentively, so nobody will stop you to speak this language, to speak English. If you are consistent, if you are honest, and if you are dedicated towards this language, so definitely you can speak this language. If I'm speaking this language, so definitely you can also speak this language, because I'm also an English learner. I'm also learning this language, okay? And the way I'm talking to you, I have also learned this language. This is not my own language. English language, I have also tried a lot to speak this language, and even now I'm trying to speak this language. So you will also speak this language. Friends, you know what? To speak effectively, we have to follow some steps. We have to apply some strategies in our speaking process. And what are those strategies? How can we speak effectively? Friends, the first one is the conversation. Friends, you know what? Conversation means what? You go your office, you go to your school, and you go to market, you go for a morning walk. So you go somewhere, and if you see that someone is sitting beside you, okay, and he is very comfortable with you, so in place of talking in your regional language, just start talking in English language, okay? So just start talking English. Yeah, it may be that the next person is not comfortable with English. He may speak like I'm not comfortable with this language. So just speak to him that it's okay, I'm practicing of speaking English. So if you are listening my language, if you are listening English, and if you are understanding, so it's okay for me. You have to reply in your own language, and I will transfer. So friends, that's how you can practice of speaking. That person will speak in their regional language, and you have to go with English, because it is you are learning English. So it's your duty to speak in English, to go with English. Okay, that's why you can practice of speaking. This is a very good way you can practice of speaking. And the second one is that storytelling session. Friends, you know what? Storytelling session definitely helps you a lot in terms of speaking this language. Friends, I always speak in my videos that what things you do since morning to evening, whom you met, what you read, what you wrote, okay, what you ate, with whom you met, which type of discussion you did, okay? So you may have done different kinds of things, right? So what things you need to do in terms of speaking? You have to speak all these activities which you did since morning to evening. When you sit in the evening, you have to speak in your language, in English, okay? If you are not comfortable, if you think that it's a very difficult task, so you can also do different kind of thing. First, pen down all the things, okay, and read aloud, and after that just put that paper beside you, and you can record your speech in your mobile, and after some time you can listen and you can find out mistakes and you can improve your mistakes. So this is the best way to do your speaking practice. And friends, the third one is then translation. everybody has, everybody is very fond of watching like videos or serial, cartoon. Okay, so according your choice, if you are fond of watching serial, so I always do this kind of activity. When we watch serial, so we listen dialogue, right? So we can do a very unique thing. While listening dialogue, we can convert the dialogue in English. Okay, don't translate words by words. Don't translate, just try to understand the concept. Okay, and convert into English. Try to understand the concept and convert into English. Friend, this is very best method to speak in English. You can practice of speaking. Friends, all these three activities I always do in terms of speaking English. And friends, the way I'm talking to you, I have always applied these methods to boost my confidence, to enhance my confidence, and to speak English very effectively. And friends, I am 100% sure that if you follow these steps for 21 days, definitely no one can stop you to speak English. You will see changes in yourself. Definitely you will see change, because it is going to work wonder for you. So friends, I hope this video is going to help you a lot. If you liked my ideas, so give me a like. Otherwise, it's okay. Okay friends, bye. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.